Oppo is another major tech giant that announces a new product at MWC 2024. The company revealed its future plans about AI, and the new Air Glass 3 XR earwear prototype was seen. The glasses can use Oppo's ADS GPT model via smartphone, providing a burdenless AI experience. The company thinks pressing a button on the phone is too much effort and it's trying to do something about it. The Air Glass 3 weighs 50 grams and features a self-developed resin waveguide with a refractive index of 1.70. It has a peak brightness of more than 1000 nits. Oppo claims this feature ensures experience close to that of regular pairs of glass and also provides the best full color display of its kind. The eyewear has a AI voice assistant powered by Andre's GPT and supports browsing by touch interaction to control music, voice calls, information display, and image browsing. It features 4 microphones designed to improve noise isolation, and Oppo promises high quality audio setup too. Oppo also revealed its plan to bring various generative AI features, including an AI eraser from the photos to the phones such as Reno 1 and Find 3